Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Take Two. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan codes on Spotify. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open the Spotify app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, launch the app and sign in. Now on the screen, you can see options like home, search, and your library at the bottom, while other options like all, music, podcasts, and your account at the top. All you have to do is select that search button at the bottom of your screen. Now, on the top right corner, you can see a small camera icon. Tap on it and select scan. Then you have to give permission for Spotify to use your camera. Tap on allow, and guys, that's it. Just point your camera to the code you want to scan. Well, that's how you scan codes from Spotify. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.